Boys and girls, today we're making a Jerk Meatball Sub. Not Italian, not Jamaican, just a lot of inspiration from the two. We're keeping it creative. So we get into it, shall we? Yes, we are getting into it. 1 onion. Oh, that was almost perfect. Roughly chopped. Yeah, the blender will just do the rest. 2 cloves garlic, roughly chopped knob of ginger with skin on. A couple spring onions in, fresh thyme. I couldn't find any scotch bonnets, but we have habaneros. In, a teaspoon of sugar, or we could do 2. 1 bay leaf. In, just a few peppercorns. In, that's about it. Dark soy sauce. We do about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And now, my boys and girls, we blend. Time for some chaos. Nice. In a bowl, we add in some breadcrumbs. This is actually breadcrumbs I made earlier. Nothing too fancy. Bread blender, and you have your breadcrumbs. A couple drops of moo juice, that is milk. We let it get soaked. We harvest 1 yolk of a baby chicken. Just a tiny bit of oregano, about a teaspoon or so. Some of that jerk marinade. We add in our minced beef. It's time to get our hands dirty. Mix, 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 mix. We let them get to feel each other. Mold into perfectly round balls, 2 inches thick, something like that. We got our 18 perfect round balls. Pan, we're gonna do some medium low heat. A heavy touch of extra virgin. Now we lay in our perfectly rounded balls. We give them a couple flips here and there. We want them nicely browned just like this. We set this aside and save the pan oil. We're gonna make a mihopoa but without celery. I couldn't find celery, so please bear with me. But if you do have celery, throw in celery in there. So onion peeled, just like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Give it a dice into the pan. Just 1 single carrot. We give it a quick peel, slice it by half and into quarters, and then simply give it a dice. And now we are cooking. See, the onions picked up the flavors from the ball oil. That's what we want. When they get all nice and translucent, we go in with a poop of tomato paste, some wash your sister sauce, some of that jerk marinade. My kitchen smells amazing right now. My kitchen does smell amazing right now. Once that is nicely reduced and we've cooked the rawness out of the marinade, we add in a whole can of crushed tomatoes. Go in with salt and a bit of tomato juice water. Amaze balls, amaze balls. That looks glorious. And now it's time for our balls to go back in. Don't forget the resting juices from the balls. Now we let it come to a bubble for 20 minutes. We'll do that over there. We get some basil chiffonade into the sauce. That's so good. And boys and girls, to me, this is as good as done. I got myself a beautiful baguette, nicely thick, nicely baked. Ooh! There. We're gonna do an even cut, not all the way through, around there. Yeah. Some of this meat has to go. Hefty scoop. Maybe 2 more balls, making them 4. That's 2 pairs. Some of that lovely sauce. Slap it with 2 slices of mozzarella. Do your thing, peaches, do your thing. And now we crown our king. So boys and girls, let me take a few photos. We'll be back. We do a cross section check. Ooh! Cheers. Ooh! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know, you could have spice that's terrorizing your mouth, but this hugs you like, oh, come here, baby boy, come here, come here. This is perfect. I actually have some extra jerk marinade. We'll do this exact same recipe or something different later in the week. My boys and girls, if you stuck to the end, you know what you saw. This is amazing. So make sure you do make this, because man, this is something that you do have to experience for yourself, because man, the flavor combination in here, it's crazy, my guys, it's crazy. Thank you guys for passing by today, sticking around with me, and kisses from Sam. See you again, same place, same time, with different recipes, of course, and you know, we make amazing stuff. Bye. Hold spatula.